guys, Kelly again. This week, kinda doing a quick impromptu vlog, I guess you could say, on the truck because she's going back to the dealer today. Yeah, this past weekend we were on the trail and the dash just started turning. Basically, I got Christmas lights like 5 minutes into a trail, and it wasn't even a rough section, and all the ABS alarms, all the nannies, all the traction control, everything started failing, including the steering. Now, I was still able to complete that run and come back, but a day or two after, the steering went out. I can't turn the truck anymore. And it's not like your typical power steering failure, right? Where power steering fails, you can still move the truck, right? And just the motion of moving the truck around the road allows the wheels to turn. Well, I do get some movement, but I'm only getting about half a wheel turn. I can't get the wheels to turn all the way, so there's something crazy going on with that steering. Yeah, it's pretty stiff. All right, now I gotta bend this thing back into place. How were you able to do this on the drive home? It was tough. Now, I've had this kind of issue happen to me before, not the steering, but the dash kind of light up the way it did, and it was usually related to a sensor or a line. The Raptors have quite a bit of nannies built in, from the collision sensor to speed sensors on all the hubs, and if any of those fails or the truck's not getting what it needs from those, a lot of the advanced features like the drive modes, the stability track, even the adaptive steering, the steering assist, none of that works when one of those is bad. But I've never had it go this bad where the steering just stopped working. Now, she was set to go in anyways this week for 60,000 mile service. She's gonna get an oil change, get the alignment checked out because I actually knocked out one of the bolts the other day. And take a look at that noise. I don't know if you can hear it in this video, but there's a very high-pitched noise coming from one side of the engine. It only happens on cold starts, don't know what it is. And I was hoping it was just gonna be a typical routine stop, right? Find out what that noise is, do the regular service, and be done. But now it's gonna be an extended stay, and she's gonna have to get towed because I can't drive her. I mean, we tried driving her yesterday, and we couldn't even do left turns, let alone a right turn. It was too tight. A right turn's too tight right now. I can't get full travel on that. I don't know much about how the steering works on this truck. I know it's an electronic assist, but considering what's going on with the truck, I'm about to get quite a bit of learning on the steering system of the Raptor. So I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with the truck. If it's something that others are having, I'll let you guys know. We'll do a quick video on it to see how you guys can avoid it, maybe, if it's an avoidable thing. But stay tuned on the channel and we'll keep you guys updated on what's going on with the truck.